Okay, let me close my thing.
Record.
Yeah, solve this equation using 3 methods. That's what we did the last 2 weeks. Factorising quadratic formula. Completing square. Factorizing, we learn 2 ways. 2 ways. Iluna, how you factorize it?
2x plus 1 x minus 3.
2x plus 1, x minus 3. Perfect. So what's your answer? X1?
Negative 1 over 2 and
Yeah.
3.
Excellent answer. Very good. That's factorizing. How you got from here to here? Yeah, you need to think about it. We just show 2 ways. Quadratic formula current. What's the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. X equals. Really? Emma, what's the formula we did last week? We did it 2 weeks ago. You need to memorize it. Negative b plus or minus give you 2 answers. B squared minus 4ac over 2a. Memorize it. Of course, we can prove it, but now you just memorize it. Now the question is, Nick, what's the A for this question? For this question, what's the A? What's the B? What's the C, Nick? Yeah, A is 2. Good. B is negative 5. C is negative 3. Okay, For year 11 exam, this formula, you have to memorize it. But for year 12 exam, this formula is given. Now you just sub all the values into it. Negative b plus minus b squared 25 4a c 2a. Try to work it out. No calculator. Calculate without calculator. Calculator, no calculator. Hey, we got 5 plus minus root 49 over 4. 5 plus 7 over 4. 5 minus 7 over 4. That's how we got 3, negative half. 2 answers. Huh? The third method is the hard one we did last week. Hard one. Iluna, do you know completing square? Okay. For example, last week, if easy one, let's check easy one. Easy one here, x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. How we do completing square? We just use a formula. The formula is here, x squared plus bx, just x plus half b minus half b squared. Memorize the formula. If here is minus, here is minus. So, original question, x squared minus 2x just equals x minus 1 squared minus 1 squared. That's called completing square. This is a hard one. You use completing square more like in year 12, year 11, not a lot. Okay. So this part, you just change to x minus 1 squared minus 1 minus 8. Okay, so you have x minus 1 squared equals 9. Current, if x minus 1, the whole thing square equals 9. What's x minus 1?
Square of 9.
Yep. 3 or negative 3. Plus minus 3. Plus minus 3 squared. Both give you 9. So something squared equals 9, got 2 answers. 3 and negative 3. Okay. If you got plus minus 3, x just equals plus 3 plus 1, give you 4. Minus 3 plus 1 give you negative 2. Negative 2. This method called completing square. Okay. For the question I gave you now, the completing square is hard. Okay, let's check together. Just what we need a whole single page here. Yeah. We just do completing square. The formula we have x squared plus minus bx. You have x plus minus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. You can expand this to prove this formula. Okay, next one. Now here, this question we have 2 in front. That's the first step. If we take out 2, x squared minus current, what number in the box? We take out 2. No. We move 2 out. For example, if 2x squared minus 8x, you take out 2, you got x squared minus 4x. But my question a bit annoying because I hope you guys can practice fractions. What's that? Hey, Luna. Yes, 5 over 2. 2 times 5 over 2 give you 5. Good, 5 over 2. Now, we can use the formula. We can use the formula for this part in the brackets. You can use the formula. Okay, 2 just outside. Okay, the formula is x minus something square minus something square. Luna, what's the number in the box?
X minus 5/4.
Very good. Yes. So we got 2 times this. 2 times this. This is working from here to here, called completing square. Very, very important. If you finish the calculation, you got 2 times 25 over 16, like this. Okay, we know this question, if you use formula or if you use this factorising, is much easier, but we still practice this method. What number here? And later, what's the number here? And later, what's the number here? You have 2 possible values. And x, you got 2 possible values. Fraction calculation. Okay. Oh, current. What number in the first box? It's like you need to move this part to the other side, change to opposite. So 25 over 8 plus 3. 49 over 8. 49 over 16. Both sides divided by 2. Oh, square root 7 over 4. Negative 7 over 4. 7 over 4 plus 5 over 4. Negative 7 over 4 plus 5 over 4. 3, negative half. Same question, same answer. 3, negative half. Okay. Let's solve equation using component square. Compare with the other two. This method needs long working. Okay. Now we need to double check homework from last week.